Lake Garda, Italy, where medieval castles meet shimmering blue waters and picturesque towns invite you to slow down and savor la dolce vita. This stunning destination in northern Italy is a favorite for good reason. From fairy tale peninsulas and charming lakeside promenades to vibrant markets and unforgettable mountain views, there's something for everyone here. In this video, we're counting down the 10 best things to do around Lake Garda. Whether you're planning your first visit or returning to uncover new favorites, this guide covers everything from scenic walking tours and local food experiences to serene boat rides and adventurous hikes. Each stop offers a unique slice of Italian beauty, culture, and relaxation. Let's begin the journey through the best that Lake Garda has to offer. Number 10. Sirmione, perched on a narrow peninsula stretching into Lake Garda, is one of the most beloved holiday spots in the region. This charming town blends history, scenery, and vibrant energy all in one. A walk through the cobbled streets takes you past the impressive 13th century Scaliger Castle and the ancient Roman ruins of the Grotta di Catullo, perched at the very tip of the peninsula with panoramic lake views. Strolling through the town, you'll find plenty of cozy cafes and restaurants, perfect for grabbing a bite and soaking up the lively atmosphere. Whether you're indulging in fresh Italian cuisine or just sipping a coffee lakeside, the town's charm is hard to resist. Need a change of pace? Hop on a ferry right from the heart of Sirmione and explore other lakefront towns with ease. For those planning to stay overnight, there's a wide range of hotels to choose from. Stay in the historic center for easy access to shops and landmarks, or book a hotel along the water's edge for stunning lake views and a more tranquil experience. Sirmione captures the essence of Lake Garda, where history meets relaxation in a postcard-perfect setting. Number 9. Malcesine. Small in size but full of charm, Malcesine is one of Lake Garda's most captivating destinations. Families and couples looking for a relaxed getaway are drawn to its cobbled streets, vibrant waterfront, and inviting atmosphere. In the summer months, the town buzzes with energy, travelers soaking up the sun, savoring creamy gelato, and lounging along the pebbled shores of the lake. For those craving a bit of adventure, Malcesine offers more than just lazy beach days. Hop on the scenic cable car to Monte Baldo, where panoramic views of the lake await. Once at the top, explore a network of hiking and cycling trails through alpine meadows and rugged terrain, perfect for a break from the crowds below. The town center is compact, with charming alleys and historic buildings, but that also means limited space for accommodation. Many hotels are located just outside the old center, offering a range of mid-range to luxurious stays, often with stunning lakeside gardens and relaxing views. If you prefer being right in the heart of the action, expect cozier rooms with a simpler setup, but plenty of charm to go around. Malcesine delivers a perfect mix of relaxation, exploration, and authentic lakeside beauty. Number 8. Walking tour of Riva Delgarda. Stone-paved streets, colorful facades, and majestic mountain backdrops set the scene in Riva Delgarda, a northern gem on the shores of Lake Garda. Begin the walking tour at the historic Torre Apponale, a medieval tower rising above the charming Piazza 3rd November. Climb to the top for sweeping views of the old town and sparkling lake below. As you stroll through the winding alleys, admire the architecture blending Venetian and Austrian influences. The lakeside promenade invites a peaceful walk with panoramic views of the water and surrounding cliffs. Cafes spill onto the pavement, offering perfect spots to sip a cappuccino while watching sailboats drift by. Head toward the Rocca di Riva, a medieval fortress now home to the town's civic museum. Cross the little wooden bridge and explore the exhibits that reveal the area's rich history. Continue toward the old city gates and pause to enjoy street musicians and local artisans selling handcrafted goods. Linger by the port where ferries come and go, adding a touch of gentle bustle to this serene lakeside town. With every step, Riva Delgarda offers a delightful mix of history, nature, and Italian elegance, making it a must-explore destination on foot. Number 7. Discover Lazis. At the foot of the Moranic Hills lies Lazis, a town where medieval charm flows through every street. This lakeside gem invites visitors to step into the past, with the impressive Castello Scaligiero and its 6 towers and fortified walls standing tall as a reminder of centuries gone by. Wandering through Lazis's old town is a journey of discovery. Narrow cobblestone pathways twist between colorful buildings, leading to quiet courtyards and sunlit plazas. The rhythm of daily life unfolds around you. Locals chatting in cafes, boats bobbing gently in the harbor, and the scent of fresh pastries drifting from bakeries. Don't miss the weekly fresh food market, where regional cheeses, fruits, and handmade goods fill the stalls with color and energy. Then, grab a table at one of the town's street-side restaurants and enjoy traditional Italian dishes paired with a glass of local wine. Lazis offers a wide range of accommodations, making it easy to find a place that fits your travel style. From family-run bed and breakfasts and lakeside campsites to cozy motels and elegant hotels, there's something for everyone. Whether you're here for a romantic retreat or a family escape, Lazis delivers a perfect slice of Lake Garda life. Number 6. Visit Bardolino. Chic and effortlessly charming, Bardolino sits nestled among the Moranic Hills, where vineyards and olive groves stretch as far as the eye can see. This elegant lakeside town offers a blend of natural beauty and stylish living that makes it a favorite for travelers seeking both relaxation and a taste of Italian culture. Wander through the old town center and discover a maze of narrow lanes lined with boutique shops, cozy cafes, and inviting restaurants. Each corner reveals something new, whether it's a gelateria serving fresh scoops or a local artisan displaying handmade goods. Make time for Bardolino's weekly morning market, where fresh produce, local cheeses, and souvenirs offer a colorful look into the region's flavors. Wine lovers are in for a treat. Follow the famous Vine Road and enjoy tastings at nearby wineries and charming enotecas. From fruity reds to crisp whites, every sip tells a story of the region's rich winemaking tradition. Bardolino also makes a fantastic base for exploring the surrounding hills. Whether you're hiking scenic trails or simply soaking in the lake views, there's something here for every pace. With a range of comfortable mid-range hotels, it's an ideal spot for both couples and families to unwind and explore. Number 5. Walking tour of Riva Delgarda. Cobblestone streets, pastel facades, and tranquil canals. Riva Delgarda offers a picturesque walking experience like no other. Begin your stroll at Porta Verona, the historic entrance to the town, and step into centuries of charm and heritage. Wander along the fortified walls that once protected this Venetian stronghold. The star-shaped fortress surrounding the town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the views from the ramparts are breathtaking, with Lake Garda shimmering in the background. Meander through the narrow alleys lined with boutiques, cafes, and gelato stands. The scent of espresso and fresh pastries fills the air, blending perfectly with the relaxed hum of Italian life. Stop by the central square, Piazza Ferdinando di Savoia, where locals gather and the vibe is unmistakably laid back. Follow the waterfront promenade for panoramic lake views, where ducks paddle and boats bob gently. Cross over scenic canals that give the town its unique identity. And don't miss the Church of San Martino with its stunning 18th century interior. This walking tour is more than sightseeing. It's about soaking up the rhythm of a lakeside town that blends history, beauty, and tranquility. In Riva Delgarda, every corner tells a story, and every step is a new postcard-worthy moment. Number 4, discover Garda. Set in a beautiful bay and surrounded by rolling green hills, the town of Garda offers one of the most picturesque settings on Lake Garda. Its central location on the lake's eastern shore makes it ideal for hopping on a boat and exploring nearby towns. Perfect for curious travelers wanting to see it all. Families especially love Garda for its close proximity to Gardaland, Italy's biggest theme park, just a short drive away. But it's not all about roller coasters. This area is also great for hiking, with scenic trails weaving through the mountainous terrain, offering fresh air and sweeping views. The lakeside promenade is the heart of Garda, buzzing with life, especially in the summer. Grab a table at a waterfront restaurant, sip local wine, and watch the sunset light up the water. The atmosphere is warm, lively, and perfect for a relaxing evening. During peak season, hotel rooms can fill up quickly, but you'll still find some reasonably priced options if you book early. For those looking to splurge, Garda also offers a selection of upscale hotels with elegant rooms and serene lake views. Whether you're after adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Garda has you covered. Number 3, Gardon Riviera, tucked midway up the western shore of Lake Garda. The tiny town of Gardon Riviera offers the perfect blend of charm and convenience. Though small in size, it's a favorite among visitors looking to explore the lake without the crowds of larger towns. Its central location makes it easy to hop on a boat and visit the historic lakeside villages scattered along the shoreline. With a short ride, you can be strolling ancient streets or discovering hidden gems across the lake. But there's plenty to enjoy right in Gardon itself. Wander through cozy boutiques, enjoy a quiet moment at a lakeside cafe, or explore the town's compact streets filled with welcoming restaurants and a surprising variety of accommodation options. Whether you're seeking luxury or affordability, Gardon delivers a comfortable stay. Mornings here are best spent by the water, maybe with a coffee in hand. Afternoons invite you to slow down at sun-drenched cafes, and evenings are made for relaxing in one of the town's well-priced hotels. With regular boats departing from the central pier and easy bus access to the nearby Brescia airport, Gardon Riviera is both peaceful and practical. A perfect Lake Garda base. Number 2, Sulgarda. Steeped in charm and nestled in the dramatic northern mountains of Lake Garda, Sulgarda delivers classic Italian decadence with a cinematic flair. Its name, meaning lemon, hints at the town's history of fragrant lemon groves that still dot the hillside, adding color and zest to the landscape. Limone's beauty is no secret. It even played a starring role in the James Bond film Quantum of Solace, with high-octane chase scenes winding through its steep lakeside roads. It's easy to see why filmmakers were drawn to this location. Wander through narrow, cobbled lanes lined with boutique shops and inviting restaurants, then follow the path down to the lakefront, where open-air terraces await. Mediterranean dishes, cool drinks, and stunning lake views create the perfect setting for long, lazy afternoons. For those looking to unwind in style, Limone offers a collection of luxurious hotels nestled among olive and lemon groves. Many feature infinity pools that seem to melt into the lake, offering uninterrupted views and pure relaxation. Whether you're chasing movie magic or just craving serenity by the water, Limone Sulgarda adds a sophisticated sparkle to any Lake Garda escape. Number 1. Exploring the elegant promenade of Salo. Sunlight dances on the water as the promenade of Salo unfolds along the curve of Lake Garda. This elegant stretch offers one of the longest and most scenic lakefront walks in the region, lined with palm trees, flower beds, and historic buildings that speak to the town's refined past. With each step, discover cozy cafes with outdoor seating, perfect for enjoying a cappuccino or gelato while watching boats glide across the calm lake. The air carries the soft hum of conversation, the gentle splash of water, and the distant toll of a church bell. Stroll past the neoclassical architecture and Venetian-style facades that reflect the grandeur of Salo's history as a former administrative capital during the Venetian Republic. Statues, stone benches, and iron lampposts add a timeless charm to the walk. Boutique shops and artisan stalls offer everything from handmade leather goods to local olive oils and wines. The promenade isn't just a path. It's an experience that blends elegance, history, and everyday Italian life. As the sun begins to set, the lake shimmers in soft golden hues, and the atmosphere turns even more enchanting. Whether you're here for relaxation or a glimpse into Salo's character, the promenade delivers in every moment.